Hi man, it's this pipe. This one, you see? Right there, check. So it's completely torn here, right around. So I'll probably have to replace this whole pipe. Alright guys, I'm on my way to Nash tuning for that intake pipe. So like I said, I can't find the original one. That one is unrepairable, so I'm gonna have to do the induction kit. I don't really have an issue with it, but yeah, I'm gonna do the induction kit and I'll let you guys know what the result is as soon as I get it back. Alright guys, so I got the car back from Nash Tuning and obviously the car is still driving like a dream. Definitely more louder in the front with that air intake, 76mm air intake that they installed. And yeah, so I'll show you guys a video in a bit if the traffic is just a little bit better. Then I'll show you so you can hear the sound. Just make a small recording of the sound of the car. But definitely more responsive and yeah, definitely louder, that's for sure. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. With what the consumption doesn't look really that bad, but yeah, well obviously I'm running on the highway, so the consumption will be good. I don't know how it will be in town, but yeah, it's definitely screaming from the front now. So it's got a 76mm induction kit with a BMC filter. Alright, let's hear it. Holy crap. Alright, definitely a big difference in the sounds, definitely, and definitely more responsive. Right, one with the windows closed. Let's see this one. How this one sounds. Alright, so what they did is they relocated the battery from here to there. So as you can see, 76mm cold air intake with the BMC filter. So the filter is down there. So they're running the pipe from here down to the fender. Obviously it's sealed there, so it won't soak up any water. And yeah, really neat pipe. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. It's definitely made a difference obviously in the sound and the throttle response, and I can't really say what the power feed is. They say it makes about 5 horsepower difference, but I'm not so sure about that. But yeah, but definitely major change in the major difference in sound obviously, and definitely the throttle response. And if you guys ever wondered what the standard filter and resonator and piping and everything looks like, this is just the air filter and the resonator. I mean, I think 20% of the car's weight comes Comes from the air filter. I mean, Lucas, this is the resonator. Just check this thing. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. There's the rest of the piping. You guys can see, so this one was completely torn. Yeah. Yeah, this is just battery brackets, original piping and everything, but I can't believe they just, yeah, I just can't believe it's so big. The stuff really takes a lot of space. So yeah, amazing. Just to keep the car more quiet. Well, as far as my research, just to reduce the sound of the filter.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.